In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at some of the settings and configuration options you have in the new Sage SalesLogix iPhone application. Here we are on the home screen, and down in the lower left corner you can see there's a settings icon, so we'll click on that. And that brings up some of the settings that I can make adjustments to. For example, I can clear the saved credentials, which means that if previously I told SalesLogix to save my username, which was Lee, and save my password so that I wouldn't type that in every time I clicked on the application, I can now tell it to clear that data out of there if I want to make my phone more secure. The other thing I can do here is clear the storage. And what SalesLogix is doing is that every time we visit a screen or open up a view within the application, it's actually storing that data in the permanent memory inside the iPhone. And so that way, if I lose my data connection or I have to go on an airplane and shut the radio functions off, I still have access to all the data I visited prior to doing this clearing operation. Now, these iPhones have a limited memory, so at some point you may want to clear that out of there to free up memory for more information. So you do that just by clicking OK on this screen. And at this point now you're starting all over again with building up the storage as you visit the different views and screens in the system. In future releases, you're going to be able to control that through some other settings, but for now it simply remembers every place you previously have been since the last time you cleared the storage. Also, there's a built-in help system, so if we choose the little green question mark next to the word help, it's going to bring up some of the quick tips and other helps screens that are part of the application. And as we scroll down, you can see more and more information that's available to you. And if we choose the little house icon in the upper left corner, we go all the way back to the home screen where we started. So that's a brief overview of some of the current settings and configuration options you have. As the application matures, you'll see more and more features and capabilities built into that area. Thanks for watching.